Good day. We are now in Unit 5 of our discussion, which is all about the teacher as an organizational leader. The topic assigned to me is under the nature of administrative work, which are the behaviors and leadership, and also leadership effectiveness. So, now, let's start our discussion about behaviors and leadership. First of all, I would like to share to you the definition of these two words. First is behavior. Behavior is the actions and mannerisms made by individuals, organisms, systems, or artificial entities in conjunction with themselves or their environment, which includes the other systems or organisms around as well as the physical environment. Next, the word leadership. We all know that leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act toward achieving a common goal. Like in a business setting, this can mean directing workers and colleagues with a strategy to meet the company's needs. Now let's proceed to the definition of leadership behavior. What is leadership behavior? Leadership behavior is the traits and actions that make an individual effective as a leader. This behavior is the process by which a person can guide, direct, and influence the work of others to meet some specific goals. And individuals use this behavior to motivate people into action, and when they have a vision for an organization, a product, or a group of people. Why are effective leadership behaviors important? Good leadership behaviors are crucial to become someone who inspires and leads people to minimize efficiency and to achieve the goals of the organization. Let's proceed. Leadership behavior are essential to increase the productivity of a team. Through this, consistent leadership can motivate a team to greater performance. Second, retain people. Employees are less likely to leave if they receive great leadership and mentorship in their current roles. The last, nurture future leaders. Leadership behavior are integral to develop and nurture future leaders within an organization. In order for us to improve our leadership strengths, let's follow these 10 ways. Be honest. Be confident in your decisions. Be approachable. Provide objective feedback. Lead by example. Create a reward program for staff members. Change how you approach your work. Address potential issues before they become problems. Pay attention to the needs of individual employees and try to meet them. And last, encourage creativity by keeping lines of communication. There are also 4 types of leadership behaviors. From House and Michelle in 1974. The first one is directive. The leaders inform her or him followers on what is expected of them, such as telling them what to do, how to perform a task, and scheduling and coordinating work. The second one, supportive. The leaders makes work pleasant for the workers by showing concern for them and by being friendly and approachable. The third one is participative. The leaders consult with his followers before making a decision on how to proceed. It is most effective when subordinates are highly trained and involved in their work. The last one is achievement. The leader sets challenging goals for her followers. Expect to perform at their highest level and show confidence in their ability. To meet this expectation, it is most effective in professional work environments. In conclusion to this topic, great leaders may not be born that way, but the behaviors that mark the best and lead to success can be developed and refined over time. Let's proceed to my second topic, which is leadership effectiveness. An effective leader should have aptitudes in all of these areas, but when people talk about leadership effectiveness, they are typically referring to the ability or to inspire the team. Leaders need to have heightened emotional intelligence to be effective at motivating others, and crucial to have effective teams and engage employees. What is leadership effectiveness means? Leadership effectiveness is the successful exercise of personal influence by one or more people that results in accomplishing shared objectives in a way that is personally satisfying to those involved. Effective leadership, a balance of traits and skills, and leadership styles or behaviors, all combined in a way that's right for a particular situation. Leadership effectiveness is fundamentally the practice of the following principles. Build a collective vision, mission, and set of values that help people focus on their contribution and bring out their best. Establish a fearless communication environment that encourages accurate and honest feedback and self-disclosure. Make information readily available. Establish trust, respect, and peer-based behavior as the norm. Be inclusive and patient. Show concern for each person. Demonstrate resourcefulness and the willingness to learn. Create an environment that stimulates extraordinary performance. Here are the 5 steps to increase leadership effectiveness. Persuade leadership to buy into their own development. Regularly set aside time for emotional intelligence coaching. Use a personality assessment to help leaders identify their personal blind spots and nurture their strengths. Help leaders connect and listen better to whom they lead. Ensure that leadership is committing time to reflecting on the greater vision for the company and communicating it clearly. Effective leaders have specific attributes. It shows specific behavior or styles of leadership. The effective leaders create the situation that is best for the organization through the use of skills and processes. A good leader can make a success of a weak business plan, but a poor leader can destroy even the best plan. That is why developing effective leadership by using a consistent talent management programs at all levels across the organization can return significant business value. And that's all. Thank you.